These are the two-step locks for the wing. So you will have 6 of these, 6 bolts, 6 washers. You will need a T30 to get these old ones off. Okay, that sucker is off. And just look how weird the car looks without it. Somebody even asked me about this. So I got my buddy at his body shop to paint this, just the ends. You can see, kind of to color match the car. This is the carbon fiber wing. That's definitely another reason why I want to take care of this and not get it stolen. All right, so there we have him kind of hand tightened in there. Got a little bit of room still. You want to just line up all of them, make sure they're all lined up perfectly, and then you can tighten them down. So we're gonna have to use a 1/4 inch socket to drive it in. There we go. Now we can drive them in. Here we, oh, I just lost it. Yeah, make sure you don't lose this, guys, because this is literally your key. Yeah. Now hand tighten it just to go over it. Don't put too much pressure on there, and you're done. Check those puppies up. Now it'll be very hard to steal those.